Welcome to today's meditation to make someone crazy obsessed over you. This meditation will get your specific person to a point where they are madly in love with you. When you use this meditation to create this reality within you, this reality will manifest outside of you. You can listen to this as many times as you like. Listen to it as you would music. Listen to it as you would something you enjoy. Something which makes you feel happy, because that is what it is about. It is about getting you to a place that is within you where you feel your end result already. And when you feel your end result, you are living in your end result, and your physical reality will reflect that back to you. Now relax in a quiet space and gently close your eyes. Visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their nose, their mouth, their chin, their body. See them vividly. This person is obsessed with you. They cannot stop thinking about you. They can't get enough of you. They are crazy about you. Obsession doesn't even begin to describe how they feel about you. You are their everything. They love every single little thing about you. They are fascinated by you. They just want to be with you all the time. They never want to let you go. They love you fully and completely. You are everything that they want. They absolutely adore you. You are the only person for them. They don't even notice anyone else. You are perfection to them. They would do anything for you. You are the most amazing person they have ever met. They love every part of you. With every passing moment, they love you even more. They are ready to give you everything you need and everything you could ever want. Believe, trust, and know that they are obsessing over you right now. And gently open your eyes. It is done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are crazy obsessed over me," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.